See, when I went through this particular company of yours, imparting such kind of education, and I thought, why not actually? Because Akshit was very, very keen in understanding something like robotics, something like artificial intelligence, and all that. So that propelled me actually to get in touch with you, and somehow we could touch in with your team. And then the best thing that happened actually was they sent actually a kit which I never expected that. And I thought probably it will be something like, any online course that normally happens. But in your case, it was being tracked continuously till such time that, this particular kit of yours reached at my place. And then the classes actually got organized. And the best part actually I found in this is Akshit took a lot of interest actually in following whatever the instructor or the teacher actually was telling him or asking him to do, and he was practicing it actually without fail and with utmost sincerity at home. So probably one of the things that I probably can share here is there was something like, the robot actually goes through a particular path, and in the zigzag manner, in a snake kind of a path, and he was doing it and he was enjoying that particular moment. Line follower, yeah. So something like that actually probably I thought people particularly at his age should get to know about this, what exactly robotics is all about. And the kit actually what you have done, the branding part was something right, I really appreciated. Normally people get it actually and send it just for imparting this particular training, but in your case you have customized it in such a way with the kind of follow up actually with the students and the parents. I really appreciate that, which probably my daughter actually goes through a few of the classes actually at higher studies, but such kind of follow up was never done actually, or I had never experienced, which I experienced with Akshit. And of course with Blix robotics.
This is the not. Oh, lovely. All right. Nice, nice, nice. So
This is it actually he has created.
I like to make new stuff, and I like to discover and explore that how to make new things and how to control them. And I saw that the the sensor part line follower, in that he will follow the line, but it is not like only black color he will see and follow. He can't see black color. So there will be two of them connected to it. Then when he will see the line, the right will start to go, then it will stop, then it will take turn, then it will go like this and follow the line. So I like that. Yes, because we have to first set the distance of that, how much view should it catch. Then it can't see black color, but it could see other colors properly. So we have to make it like it won't notice the black, but still it will go on the black. I like the challenge because we have to make by our own creativity. We are going to make something new. That's why. Because everybody will create in their style. So it will be my style, how I used to make and how I like it. Honestly speaking, I didn't do any kind of research actually. Probably it is like, love at first sight actually with Blix. So I thought actually at the beginning stage, let him actually get a grasp of it, let him get actually the feel of it. And then probably if he likes it, then probably we can do some sort of research actually. And that would have definitely happened actually, which, you raised a very good question. But as I said, the kind of follow up, the kind of involvement actually the team is having actually with Aksid and with me, I know that's what actually stuck me to this your company. And I was probably your next question would be, and before that you asked me, I would reply to that. I was telling my wife that why not actually few more classes. Love that he took to Akshit to take up actually few more classes from Blix. I was actually at a different place. I was out of station, so I was far away from Asit. But what feedback that I got from him as well as his mother is something like, he has started enjoying it. And, he said, today I did this. And then he kept on sending me the videos or the
pictures of those classes actually what he did the other day. So that probably helped me in understanding that yes, he's enjoying it and it is worth the money actually that I have invested in him. I still remember my father giving me some rackets and all those things actually at that point of time. It was basically actually that whether I would like that particular thing or I'd like to still play with the football. So the choice was with me. So similarly, we should also give the same thing actually in today's world, today's area, whatever actually the kids should have. And then it is up to them actually whether they want to go for this or whether they want to opt for something else.
I am making a aeroplane with this.
Yes. That I forgot to tell you that. I think something was coming up and he said, I'll put up an aeroplane. I said, how come actually? And then I was just trying to sit with him and understanding. Why don't you bring that one? Which is your
It is in progress.
Oh, that will give you an idea that whatever actually apart from the investment and the
Making
marketing.
an aeroplane with this to make the front pan of the aeroplane, and these are the downwheels. They have to make this properly so it will be stable. I'm working.
Oh,
and then the side wings.
Yes. And would you have any feedback about your teacher? How she was? How was her?
She was nice. If we want extra time, then she will give, and she will also listen to us what we are going to do. She also give everybody the equal chance. Right. She wanted that everybody should make their own thing and should participate.
Did you think that having 2 or 3 students, 1 or 2 other students apart from him, was a big concern for his class?
No, I think it should be there. Normally the parents actually nowadays talk about actually one-on-one kind of a consultations or teaching and this kind of way. But I would definitely suggest that it has to be in a group, not actually in a bigger group, but in a smaller group like 3-4 guys actually doing it, so that there is a healthy competitions between the participants or the students. And then there are a lot of brainstorming keeps happening actually. They understand that where actually the other person has done good or has done a mistake. That actually somehow it gives you a kind of kick. That yes, I'm doing good and I'm still actually I have to perform actually better. So that's how it is. Creating a business is something which is definitely there. Viable propositions, but at the same time, if you are making a lot of changes actually into the kids' mind in a very positive way, that's where actually you have earned your money or your profit actually in the long run.